Are you looking for the best shower wheel chairs? Top 5 options for comfort, mobility, and safety. As the need for accessible home care increases, shower wheelchairs have become an essential tool for seniors, individuals with mobility challenges, and caregivers. These chairs offer safety, convenience, and hygiene, allowing users to shower and use the toilet with dignity and ease. In this guide, we evaluate the best shower wheelchairs based on build quality.
Product number 1. Vive Reclining Shower Chair with Wheels. Commode wheelchair for seniors, disabled. The Vive Reclining Shower Chair stands out for its versatility and comfort. Designed for individuals with limited mobility, this chair features a reclining backrest, padded armrests, and a soft seat cushion for enhanced user comfort. It doubles as a commode and transport chair, making it ideal for bathroom transitions. The aluminum frame is rust-resistant and the lockable wheels ensure stability during use. The reclining function is smooth and quiet, a bonus for caregivers who need to reposition the user. It supports up to 300 pounds and includes a removable bucket for easy cleaning. Whether you're caring for a loved one or need independent mobility support, this chair delivers functionality without compromising safety or ease of use.
Product number 2. KMINA Pro. Shower chair with wheels for elderly. KMINA Pro's version 2.0 is engineered with enhanced safety and braking performance, making it an excellent pick for elderly users and caregivers. This wheelchair features 4 large 5-inch wheels with improved brakes on all wheels, allowing for better control even on wet bathroom surfaces. The aluminum structure resists corrosion, while the open back design allows for easier caregiver access. The seat is ergonomically contoured with drainage holes for faster drying. It's lightweight yet sturdy, offering a 265 pounds weight capacity. The compact design makes it perfect for smaller bathrooms or tight spaces. If safety and maneuverability are your top concerns, this upgraded KMINA Pro model delivers peace of mind.
Product number 3. Rust-proof aluminum frame shower chair with safe smooth 360 wheels with locks. This rust-proof aluminum frame shower wheelchair is all about stability, ease of movement, and long-term durability. Designed with 360-degree swivel wheels and secure locks, it allows caregivers or users to easily position the chair without strain. The rust-resistant frame withstands water exposure, making it ideal for frequent bathroom use. The seat is wide and supportive, featuring drain holes to prevent water pooling. Though it doesn't recline, it's built for reliable, everyday use in shower or commode settings. This model is especially good for those needing a solid, straightforward mobility solution that performs reliably over time.
Product number 4. Bedside Commode with Wheels. Shower wheelchair with 300 pounds weight capacity. A practical and cost-effective solution, this bedside commode and shower wheelchair combo is perfect for those seeking multifunctionality. Built for both toilet access and showering, it features a removable commode bucket and waterproof seat. The 300 pounds weight capacity ensures it supports a wide range of users, and the locking casters add safety during transfers. Though it lacks the advanced features of premium models, the design is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. It's especially useful in home care situations where multiple functions are needed in a compact design. Great for temporary or long-term use.
Product number 5. HomeCom 3-in-1 Shower Commode Wheelchair. FSA, HSA, eligible transport beside commode chair. The HomeCom 3-in-1 Shower Commode Wheelchair offers an excellent balance of value, versatility, and user-friendly design. It functions as a transport wheelchair, a bedside commode, and a shower chair. It's compatible with FSA, HSA accounts, making it a smart financial option. The aluminum alloy frame resists rust, while the soft PVC seat is waterproof and easy to clean. It includes a commode bucket and flip-up armrests for easier transfers. The rear wheels feature locks for safety during stationary use. For those looking for a multi-use chair without breaking the bank, this HomeCom model is a well-rounded choice.